Hello guys, how are you? Myself Hashir Afzal, and today we are going to discover untold and fascinating history of Thailand, secrets you didn't know. So let's start guys. So Thailand has ancient temples, bustling streets and traditional Thai dancers. Thailand is known for stunning beaches and delicious food. But did you know it has a history filled with untold mysteries and surprising facts? Stay tuned as we uncover Thailand's hidden past. The kingdom that was never colonized. Thailand is the only Southeast Asian country never colonized by Europe. Why? Smart diplomacy. Kings like King Rama IV and King Rama V skillfully negotiated with Britain and France to keep Thailand independent. Old maps of colonial Asia, British and French negotiations. While neighboring countries were falling under colonial rule, Thailand played its card right, balancing diplomacy and modernization to stay free. The mysterious Siamese twins. The term Siamese twins comes from Chang and Ang Bunker, co-joined twins born in Siam, now it's Thailand, in 1811. They became famous in the US as performers and later become wealthy plantation owners in America. Old photos of Chang and Ang, newspaper clippings from the 1800s. Born in Siam, these twins became an international sensation, inspiring the medical term Siamese twins. But did you know they even married two sisters and had 21 children? The secret underground city of Thailand. You know, beneath the city of Chiang Rai, archaeologists discovered an ancient underground city over 700 years old. Why? Why was it built? To hide from Mongol invasions. Three-dimensional reconstructions of underground tunnels, old maps. Hidden beneath Thailand's land, an entire city remained a mystery for centuries. Built to escape invaders, this underground city is a forgotten piece of Thai history. The Forbidden Palace of Ayodhya. The Grand Ayodhya Kingdom, 1350 to 1767, had a secret palace where only the king and his closest officials could enter. Why? It was considered sacred and filled with prayers. Ruins of Ayodhya, ancient Thai kings. The Ayodhya kingdom was once one of the richest in Asia. Deep within its walls, a forbidden palace held secrets that few ever saw. Thailand's history is full of untold mysteries. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more hidden history. Thank you. Take care.